Cempedak is a tropical fruit that is closely related to jackfruit and breadfruit. The Cempedak tree is believed to have originated in Malaysia or Indonesia, and it is now grown in many tropical countries and especially popular in Southeast Asia. The Cempedak tree can grow up to 30 meters tall and has large leathery leaves. Its fruit is oval-shaped and can reach up to 30 centimeters in length and a width of 5 to 15 centimeters. The skin of the fruit is green when it is unripe and turns yellow or brown when it ripens. The flesh of the Cempedak is white or cream-colored and contains large seeds. The fruits are typically harvested from June to August, ideally before falling from the tree to avoid damage, loss of shelf life and premature ripening. That is because it only has a shelf life of 2 to 3 days. The Cempedak fruit has a sweet and fruity savory flavor similar to jackfruit. It can be eaten fresh or used in desserts, cooked dishes, and juices. Cempedak fruits can also be dried and used as snacks. The seeds can be roasted and eaten. The Cempedak fruit is high in vitamins and minerals as well as antioxidants, which can help prevent disease by protecting the body's cells. They are often used in traditional Southeast Asian medicine for their healing properties. The Cempedak tree is not only prized for its fruit but also for its wood, which is used in making furniture and other wood products. It is also grown as an ornamental plant, and its fruits are an important source of food for animals in the wild. If you're fortunate enough to come across a Cempedak fruit, don't hesitate to give it a try. This delicious tropical fruit is sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more.